Hey guys, welcome to the last video in this project. In this video we're going to be adding the custom comment functionality. Alright, if we go to one of the blog posts and go to the bottom, you'll see we have no comment functionality. So what we'll do is open up single.php and let's go right under this end if, and we're going to say php comments template. Okay, so if we save that and we go and reload, we have our comment section. Alright, so let's say great post comment, and it works. Alright, now this will work as far as functionality goes, but it doesn't look too good. So I want to show you how we can customize this. So what we're going to do is create a new page or a new file, and we're going to call this comments.php. Okay, if we go back now and reload, you'll see there's nothing here. It's reading from this file. If we say test, reload, we get test. Alright, so it's up to us to customize how we want this to work. So let's first of all put an H2 and we'll say comments. Alright. And there's actually some helpful code in the documentation for our WP list comments. And this is what we want. Okay, so we can create an arguments array. So I'm going to grab that. Okay, so obviously most of this stuff we don't need, but I mean, it's not going to hurt us to keep it in there. You'll see a lot of this is set to null, but just in case you wanted to change anything later on. Alright, I am going to change the avatar size to 80, make it a little bigger. But that's really it. The rest we can kind of leave. Alright, now these arguments will get plugged into the WP list comments function. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to pass in args and comments. Alright, so that takes care of the comments. Now we need the form. So that can also take some arguments. Let me see if I think it's on this page. Let's see. Comment form, that's what we want. So down at the bottom here, I'm going to grab this code, paste that in. This needs a PHP tag. Alright, so what we're doing is setting another argument array, comments args. Actually, let's call this form args. And then down here, change this to form args. Okay, so you can, the label of the submit button, what you want in the title reply field, comment notes after, and then the comment field itself, which in this case they give you a paragraph with the class of comment form. Comment has a label. I don't think we really want to change anything here. Let's go ahead and see what this does. We'll save it, reload. Okay, for the text area, I'm just going to add in a couple attributes. Calls, we'll set calls to 45, and let's set rows to 8. Alright, that's good, and the rest of it we'll do in CSS. Alright, so what we're going to do now is go to style.css. Let's go down to the bottom, and I'm going to paste this in. This is going to be the comment body. We give it a border, margin, and padding. We also want the meta, which is this area here, the avatar and then the date and all that stuff. Paste that in. Okay, we're going to add a dark background, some padding. The image I'm going to float to the left. The time, add some margin to that. Next we want the comment body. No, we already did that. We don't want that. We want the reply link. Okay, I'm gonna format that to look like a button. And then the form itself, we need that as well. So let's paste that in. Okay, we're going the form input and the text area. We're just setting width to 100%. We're adding some padding, border, stuff like that. So let's save that and reload. And there we go. That looks a lot better. Let's type something in here. Actually, you know what we can do is log out. And if we're logged out, then we also have the name, email, and website fields. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than the default. Let's say this is a great article. Send. And there we go. All right, and since we weren't logged in, it says it's waiting moderation, and that's good. It's working great. So that's pretty much it, guys. We're done. Like I said, this isn't the purpose of this project. Wasn't to build a beautiful theme. It was to really get you familiar with the different files that we need to create, the syntax, the different functions, things like that. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you in the next one.